Greetings to you all, ladies and gentlemen. This is Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. As you can see, I've already created a project called Exercise 2.7, and I created a class inside that project called Exercise 2.7b. That is to say, we're actually going to be doing this problem from student B's perspective, a student which is a bit clever than student A. Before I do though, I want to put right at the top what is it that student B did better than student A. So student B realized the importance of readable / descriptive variable names. That's all. That's pretty much it, you guys. Before we continue, in case any one of you guys did not read the question we're doing is 2.7, so we find the number of, so we gotta find the number of years. So we need to write a program that prompts the user to enter the minutes and displays the number of years and days for the minutes. For simplicity, assume a year has 365 days. So here is a sample run. So let's get on to our code. What we'll be doing is to simply go int number of years, and then we go int number of days, and then we simply go remaining time. If you've noticed, student A had variables that were named in an inconvenience way, even though the program was running well, but all variable names were horrible. Okay, so we've got minutes, number of years, number of days, and remaining time. Okay, what we then do, we can simply create a scanner, call it scanner, and simply go new scanner, system.in. Okay, as always, you gotta close the scanner. I don't know if you've noticed, you don't have to import your scanner. I mean, the IDE automatically does it for you once you invoke any method inside that class. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say here, but I hope you do. Okay, what else? Okay, so what we then do, we simply prompt a user. We prompt a user to enter number of minutes. Okay, so system.out.print enter number of minutes. And then after that, I mean, because okay, that's all. Okay, what else? You then read whatever the user decided to input into our minutes variable, scanner.next. Okay, and then we simply go number of years. Number of years is actually equal to minutes divided by 525,600. Now question, where did I get this number? This 525,600 is the number of minutes in 1 year. So if you did not see how did we get into that solution, I strongly suggest you visit the previous video, but I can brief you right away. We simply said, okay, 1 hour has 60 minutes. So that implies that one day it has, since one day has 24 hours, in one day we would have 24 multiplied by 60. So whatever number we get, it will be the number of minutes in one day. So in a year we'll be having 365 days multiplied by 24 hours. That is the number of hours in one day multiplied by 60. So this number is actually 365 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60, and the 365 is for a year, and the 24 is for the number of hours in a day, and 60 is actually for the number of minutes in an hour. Okay, with that out of the way, let's continue now. Now we gotta keep track of the remaining time, the remaining minutes. Will actually be minutes mode. I guess we all know that if you're actually looking for the remainder, you use mode, not the divide operator. Okay, I should have said remaining minutes here. I like something descriptive. Okay, remaining minutes. So what else? Whether the very last thing or the very last variable we gotta initialize is the number of days variable, which will simply be remaining minutes divided by 1440. Where did I get this number again? I simply did the mathematics. We're actually looking for the number of minutes in one day. So we'll simply get that by first understanding that one day is made up of 24 hours. So we'll be having 24 60s because each hour has 60 minutes. So we'll have 24 60s. That's simply 24 multiplied by 60, which is